Israel, a country always on the edge of conflict, faces challenges like this every day. To maintain its sovereignty and national security, Israel needs tough, advanced, and reliable warships. These ships serve as the defense barrier protecting every inch of Israel's waters. Let's delve into the strengths of some of the warships that are the backbone and frontline of the Israeli Navy. INS Magen. INS Magen is the newest and most advanced Sa'ar 6 class warship owned by the Israeli Navy. The ship was built by ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems in Germany and began operations in December 2020. Its name means shield in Hebrew, reflecting its role and mission in protecting Israel's national interests at sea. The Magen has a length of 90 meters, a width of 13 meters, and a weight of 1,900 tons. It is powered by 2 diesel engines and 1 gas turbine, allowing it to reach a maximum speed of 33 knots. The ship also has a range of up to 4,000 nautical miles and can carry 70 crew members and 10 air personnel. The Magen is equipped with various weapons and electronic systems to counter threats from the air, surface, and underwater. It has 64 vertical launch cells for Barak 8 missiles for air defense, 40 vertical launch cells for the Sea Dome Point Defense System, 16 𝗤𝗂𝗃𝗲𝗯𝗯 anti-ship missiles, 1 𝗤𝗂𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗯 76mm cannon, 2 Typhoon weapon stations, and 2 torpedo launchers. The ship also features the ELM 2248 MF Star radar, a multi-function radar with AESA, active electronically scanned array technology for high-precision target detection and tracking. The Magen can also carry the Eurocopter Panther helicopter, which can be used for reconnaissance, search and rescue, or ground attacks. The helicopter can carry torpedoes, rockets, or machine guns. The ship also has a hangar and a helicopter deck at the rear. INS Tannin. INS Tannin is a Dolphin II class submarine owned by the Israeli Navy. The name of the submarine means crocodile in modern Hebrew, but it can also refer to Tannin, a giant sea creature in Jewish mythology. The submarine was launched in February 2012 in Kiel, Germany, and delivered to the port city of Haifa, Israel, at the end of that year. It began active service in 2014. The Tannin submarine has a length of 68.6 meters, a width of 6.8 meters, and a weight of 2,050 tons when submerged. It is powered by 2 diesel engines and 1 gas turbine, capable of reaching speeds of over 25 knots. The submarine also has a range of up to 8,000 nautical miles and can carry 35 crew members and 10 additional personnel. The Tannin submarine is equipped with various weapons and electronic systems to counter threats from the air, surface, and underwater. It has 6 533mm torpedo tubes and 4 650mm torpedo tubes. The submarine can launch cable-guided DM-2A4C torpedoes, Popeye turbo cruise missiles with conventional or nuclear warheads, Harpoon anti-ship missiles, and Triton anti-helicopter missiles. The submarine is also believed to be capable of carrying the 𝗤𝗂𝗃𝗲𝗃 nuclear ballistic missile, which can reach distances of up to 6,500 kilometers with a nuclear warhead of up to 1 megaton. The Tannin submarine can also carry special forces for landing or interception operations along unfriendly coastlines. It features advanced navigation, communication, and electronic systems, as well as active and passive sonar systems for detecting and tracking underwater targets. The Tannin submarine has participated in various military operations and exercises conducted by Israel, both independently and with other nations. One of its main missions is to protect natural gas installations in the Mediterranean Sea from asymmetric attacks. The submarine also plays a role in safeguarding Israel's maritime trade routes in the Mediterranean, which account for over 90% of Israel's imported goods. The Tannin submarine is a modern and formidable submarine, showcasing the capabilities and technology of the Israeli Navy. It symbolizes Israel's crocodile and sea monster in guarding its sovereignty and maritime security. INS Draken. Israel is known for having a significant military power in the Middle East, particularly in the air and on land. However, not many people are aware that Israel also possesses a highly advanced and formidable submarine fleet. One of the newest and most powerful submarines in Israel's arsenal is the INS Draken, or Dragon, which belongs to the Dolphin II class submarine. This submarine was constructed in Kiel, Germany, and reportedly underwent sea trials in early 2022. Although not confirmed by the governments of Germany or Israel, it is rumored that the INS Draken may be longer than the previous Dolphin-class submarines and may have new weapon capabilities, including vertical launch system for launching cruise missiles from the submarine. One of the most distinctive features of the INS Draken is its exceptionally large sail, which is much larger than those on other Israeli submarines. This sail could potentially accommodate VLS modules if they are indeed installed on this submarine, which could explain the increase in size in this area. Additionally, this sail may also house special compartments for unmanned underwater vehicles, unmanned aerial vehicles, and/or other special operations equipment and intelligence gathering tools. According to analyses by 𝗤𝗏𝗄𝗏, this sail could also be related to some proof of concept for technology that will be used in the upcoming 𝗤𝗂𝗃𝗃class submarines. The 𝗤𝗂𝗃 class represents a new generation of submarines being developed by Israel with assistance from Germany, featuring more advanced air-independent propulsion systems and increased offensive capabilities. The INS Draken and the 𝗤𝗃𝗃 class are among the most anticipated non-nuclear submarines in the world. These submarines are expected to enhance Israel's power projection and nuclear deterrence capabilities in the region. With these submarines, Israel could launch surprise attacks against its adversaries, such as Iran, Syria, or militant groups like Hamas and Hezbollah. These submarines could also serve as a means of survival in the event of a large-scale nuclear war. By having submarines capable of hiding in the depths of the sea and carrying nuclear weapons, Israel can ensure that it still has a retaliatory option if attacked with nuclear weapons by another country. The INS Draken will be Israel's 6th submarine, following 5 other Dolphin-class submarines. The name Draken was initially planned for use on the 3rd Dolphin-class submarine, but was later changed to 𝗤𝗃𝗃 in honor of an Israeli submarine that mysteriously sank in 1968 with its entire crew. Sheldag. The Sheldag-class patrol boat is a type of fast vessel used by the Israeli Navy to safeguard its territorial waters. These patrol boats have a length of 25 meters and weigh 58 tons. They are equipped with an 𝗤𝗏𝗃𝗃 20mm cannon, FN Mag 7.62mm machine guns, and an automatic grenade launcher, MK-19. Additionally, these patrol boats can carry special forces for landing or interception operations. Sheldag-class patrol boats have a maximum speed of up to 45 knots and a range of up to 650 nautical miles. They possess high maneuverability and can operate in shallow waters. These patrol boats are also equipped with advanced navigation, communication, and electronic systems. They have been used by Israel in various conflicts, including the Second Lebanon War, the Gaza War, and Operation Cast Lead. Super Dvorah Mark III. The Super Dvorah Mark III, with its sleek and aerodynamic design, is a masterpiece from Israel's shipyards, responding to the modern era's need for patrol boats capable of swiftly responding to various maritime threats. It serves not only as a patrol entity, but also as an effective and efficient guardian of sovereignty. With a speed of up to 45 knots, the Super Dvorah Mark III is renowned as one of the fastest patrol boats in the world. It can rapidly respond to emergency situations and threats, making it a top choice for pursuit and patrol operations in waters requiring rapid responses. This fleet is armed with a variety of advanced weaponry systems, including cannons, machine guns, and missile launchers, giving it the capability to effectively handle threats from both the air and the sea surface. The Super Dvorah Mark III is also equipped with the latest electronic equipment and sensors for surveillance, reconnaissance, and intelligence missions. With radar and sensors capable of detecting threats from a distance, this vessel can effectively gather intelligence data while providing superior battle control capabilities. Protector. The Israeli Navy not only boasts submarines capable of carrying nuclear weapons, but also possesses advanced and lethal unmanned surface vehicles known as Protector. It is the world's first remotely operated integrated maritime combat system. Protector was developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, a renowned Israeli defense company known for products like the Iron Dome and Spike. Using the Protector, the Israeli Navy can carry out critical missions without risking the lives of its personnel. Protector can perform surveillance, identification, and interception of suspicious vessels and provide protection to Allied ships. Protector can also be equipped with various types of weapons, including mini-cannons, cruise missiles, or fire suppression systems. The Protector is based on a fast and maneuverable steel-hulled inflatable boat. It has a length of around 9 to 11 meters and weighs approximately 4 tons. The Protector is powered by a diesel engine that drives water jets, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 50 knots, about 93 kilometers per hour. It is equipped with navigation systems such as radar, GPS, and INS, as well as advanced electro-optical systems for day and night vision. The Protector is remotely controlled by operators on land or on other ships. Operators can see what the Protector sees through monitors and use joysticks to control its movements. The Israeli Navy has been using the Protector for several years offshore Gaza to counter threats from Hamas and other militant groups. Additionally, the Protector has been sold to other countries, such as Singapore, which used it to support coalition operations in the Persian Gulf in 2005. Rafael continues to develop new versions of the Protector, which are larger, more powerful, and more flexible.